Keep your eyes on the prize, bold and beautiful, not listen otherwise. Go flourish in wisdom and virtue, to be successful, not hurt you. Keep your eyes on the prize, bold and beautiful, not listen otherwise. Flourish in wisdom and virtue, to be successful, won't hurt you.
Alright, so hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, what you just heard was Lisa Hype, Eyes on the Prize, okay? And Lisa come out strong with the one here. And like me and hubby was discussing, Lisa have always had talent as being a raw, uncut dancer artist. You know, Vanessa Bling is more like the sing type. I feel like Lisa Hype has always been like the standout artist as far as Empire is concerned. Not saying the others didn't have talent, like Gaza Kim, big up yourself. I feel like Gaza Kim is more like the sing J type like Vanessa Bling, but as it comes on to like dancehall, I feel like Lisa always had that lock. Even after she left Empire and started dropping songs, all her songs were hits, and then she just dropped off the face of the earth and nobody heard anything from her. I don't know if it's because she didn't have proper management, or people was just not paying attention to her, or they were just not pushing her music, but she come out strong with Eyes on the Prize.
Destiny,
babe.
keep your eyes on the prize, bold and beautiful.
Yeah, she did.
To be successful, not
She find it, babe?
Yeah, she find it with that one. Oh, you record me? You don't record me, you're recording.
Yeah.
I'm bombing your session.
Yeah, anyways, babe said, I don't think so. Because
we can jump in your session?
yes, you can. He can. Baby's about to jump in my session.
Okay. Hi y'all. I think Lisa had to take a back seat for a while because, you know, the something that it wasn't so prominent, so upfront in our culture at the time. She was actually the first person that ever got caught doing it.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? And undeniably it was her. Yeah,
and not only that, she didn't back down and say it wasn't her. She said it was her, and she, even though people was trying to shame her and look down upon her, she didn't care. She owned it.
And for a while it made her the somebody girl.
Yeah.
So everything that she did after that was good songs, but it was all overpowered by
what had come before. Image. Yeah.
And she had to let that simmer for a while. She been under Lady Saw tutelage and Lady Saw teacher for what, 2 years straight, so no time for she come back, I think.
Okay. Honestly, before Babe was the one that actually got this song, and before he finished playing like a few seconds of the song, I told him to send it to me, because I don't know what it is. I can tell you off the bat within a few seconds if I'm going to like a song or not. And with Eyes on the Prize with Lisa Hype, that's exactly what it was. I knew I was gonna like the song before she even went into all of her song. Okay, it was just a few seconds in. But I'm gonna read her biography for everybody that really are not that familiar with her, or reintroduce the new Lisa Hyper then to you guys and to my audience, because honestly, when I saw this email, she looked good. And that was the first thing I said. I was like, Lisa look good, man. She looked real good. Okay, not saying she didn't look good when she was skinny, because I was skinny many. I looked just like her, basically. But she put on a little weight and look real good. Okay, so let's get into the biography. It says Lisa Hyper. Yeah, we don't care. Because you start chat as soon as you start chat.
Oh, God.
I wait here to be feed him?
No, me not feed him grill.
Oh.
Alright, you go pick him up. Let me take over the party and show. Just to read the biography.
Come.
I know she's gonna edit me out, but let me read Lisa Hype's biography for y'all, because let me not take over wifey show. She'll edit me out anyway. So Lisa biography goes like this. Lisa Hyper, PKA Lisa Hype's natural talent and love of performing catapulted the feisty singer to the top of the dancehall scene as soon as she arrived, no doubt. But it is her relentless work ethic and dedication to her craft that keeps her on top. With career roots planted in Vybz Kartel's Portmore garden, growth and nurtured, it's no surprise that Lisa is here to stay. After receiving the 2010 EME Excellence in Music Award for Best New Female Artist, Lisa focused intently on personal and professional development, including spending 2 years earning the equivalent of a doctorate in dancehall under the private tutelage of the acclaimed Lady Saw, now known as Minister Marianne Hall. Lisa's dancehall career began as soon as she graduated from high school. She had been a dancer her entire life, but hadn't tried singing. As soon as she realized she could sing, she ran to one of her oldest friends. I told Vybz, she said, I can do this. I can sing. It wasn't long before she had earned the title First Lady of Gaza with Portmore Empire. Lisa featured on the party classic Wine For Me by Vybz Kartel. Come wine for me, come wine for me. Turn up the sound and wine for me by Vybz Kartel, while Vybz Kartel featured on one of her #1 classic, Champion Bubbler. Champion Bubbler, the big toe. And then release the hit Bills. Never want to sit still. Lisa is constantly reinventing herself with new hairstyles, the latest fashions, great jewelry finds from abroad, even while staying true to who she is and the values instilled in her growing up, both in Stony Hill with her father and sister, and in Waterford, St. Catherine with her aunt and cousins. Appreciation for those around her. Gives her strength to hold her down even when feeling small, and the ability to step into nature and out of the world for a moment. Always on the quest for what she can bring to her fans, Lisa is exploring other genres, investigating new rhythms, and developing new sounds with an infusion of the dancehall she knows and loves, focusing on the artistry of her music has allowed Lisa to find balance, which now undergirds her music with maturity and new depth. I agree. Lisa continues to give her fans the lyrical fire, encouraging strength and exciting creativity they expect with Lisa Hyper. This is always something powerful. There is always something powerful on the horizon.
Don't make no man turn you in a victim. Do not make them manipulate your mind.
If you want to contact Lisa, management is Hustle Firm Entertainment, Hustle Firm ENT@gmail.com, and the number is 301-345-1972. For bookings, it's booklisahyper@gmail.com, and the number for that is 407-844-3407. So big up to Lisa Hyper. She adore thing, and I love that song. I hope she has a video with it, because I know our people are very visual people, so we need to see visuals to this song. Anyways, you know, say it's Pum Pum Power 2019, and I will be continue to feature new songs from female artists in the upcoming months. Okay, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you know of any new and upcoming artists that you feel like is worthy of a shout out, is worthy of a review, leave their info in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. lisa.nt@gmail.com, and the number is 301-345-1972. For bookings, it's booklisahyper@gmail.com, and the number for that is 407-844-3407. So big up to Lisa Hyper. She do her thing, and I love that song. I hope she has a video with it, because I know our people are very visual people, so we need to see visuals to this song. Anyways, you know, say it's Pum Pum Power 2019, and I will be continue to feature new songs from female artists in the upcoming months. Okay, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you know of any new and upcoming artists that you feel like is worthy of a shout out, is worthy of a review, leave their info in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
Them promise you no bling bling, cause education in a season all the time. Your future brighter than a video light. You can be anything that you wanna be. So open up your eyes, young girls, cause you control.